Hey, welcome back. I thought I'd take you guys along today. I'm out kayaking, my wife and I. Just seeing some of the scenery here in Montague River. So yeah, I'm just going to put the camera on the kayak and let you guys see what I see. So this is Montague River. Right now, the water here is about, I guess 3 feet deep at this end. Right now, it's probably, I don't know, 200 feet wide. We've been out now for about an hour or so. So I'm going to take you guys, we're on our way back to where we launched the kayaks. So I'm going to take you guys along and you guys can have a quick look around. It's just a nice quiet day, away from the homestead, away from all the animals, away from all the work that still needs to be done that never ends. Yeah, we launched our boats in Montague Marina today. Or our kayaks, I should say. Peaceful and quiet. The main reason I'm in the river kayaking today, because my wife's afraid to go out in the ocean right at the moment. Because there's been a few shark sightings around the Prince Edward Island this year. A few dead seal carcasses washed up on shores with big bites out of them. Now my wife's paranoid. She don't want to go out into salt water. But oh well, that's okay. We have a few rivers we can kayak around.
What type of bird is that again that we see?
Oh, those little, I forget what they're called now, but they're like a beachy bird type thing. They're protected here on the island. Yeah. Yeah. When I was a kid, we used to hunt them.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Used to have about 10 to make a pot of soup. But they were a lot more abundant then than they are now. They used to be in flocks of thousands. Now they're in flocks of 4 or 5. Yeah. Yeah, they're protected now. So those are the birds that they tell you. That's the reason you're not allowed to have your dogs off leash when you're down by the water. Yeah. Because they nest close to the water. They didn't want the dogs to disturb their eggs.
I don't think your brain is not working because you had to wait so long to me it got fried.
No, I didn't wait that long.
What?
I didn't wait that long. You got your turning down now? Your steering?
Somewhat.
Well, you know how to use your feet. You got your rudder on the ground. Whichever foot you push is the way the boat will turn.
Yeah, I know. I figured that one again.
You had that forgot, did you?
Yeah. Leave me alone. I forget a lot of things these days.
That's okay. Now we're coming up to a really old bridge here. It looks like it's got wooden construction. That's pretty crazy nowadays, but oh well. Concrete pillars that are tied together with looks like pressure treated lumber. Oh well, it is PEI. That works. I've driven over that bridge 1,000 times. And we got a angler down here. I don't know if you guys can see him yet, but he's fishing for white striped bass. You can see the old bridge now. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Probably not close enough yet, but it's kind of a scary bridge. Those pillars don't exactly look like they're full of confidence anymore. Wow. That must be old growth. You don't get lumber that big anymore. more fishermen help that way fishing. I think they're out here. I'm not sure what they're fishing for, but it looks like these are like a small commercial fishery. Looks like there's a pile of nets and stuff string along there. This is the first time I've been on this river kayaking. Like I said, I usually go out on the ocean because I'm not limited to just going in a straight line. I can go pretty much wherever I want, but in here you have to follow the river. But this river takes us out to the ocean, and right ahead of us here, I don't know how well, it's a long way off yet, but that's Montague over there. That's usually the town that we go through or go to when we need something quick and easy. It's about 15 to 20 minutes from my homestead. There's a commercial marina down here where the lobster fishermen go, tuna fishermen go, and there's also a on one side, and then on the other side there's pleasure crafts, I guess is what you would call them, sailboats, big cabin cruisers, and those type of boats. I used to have a big cabin cruiser one time. I sold it when I bought the Homestead. I figured I didn't need it anymore, which I don't really, because they're gas guzzling beasts. But they were comfortable and fun at the time. My wife and I, we spent many nights on our boat. This is a lot easier for you now with no wind, and the current's actually with you right now.
It comes after what?
It's going the same way we are.
I like that.
Looks like we got some renter kayaks coming up here now. Yeah. They look like the ones that they rent out, which is pretty cool. With me? I think a fish just ate the bottom of my boat.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that yours, not mine.
Yeah. See if I can get a close-up picture of that bird before he leaves. Oh, she's a wide fucking boat. You making it?